Alrighty guys, so welcome to day 3, and we're at day 3. We have 100 and let's say 170. So we basically, we're still on track, about 80 per day, and things are evolving quite nicely. This is day 3. For today, I haven't performed the task that I need to do. And so I'm going to do it now, and hopefully this number is going to keep ballooning. Okay. Now, one thing that I realized is, as explained, this is an evergreen webinar. Okay, and I would have expected people to. I mean, based on my findings, what I can see is people see this event, they see the date, and they basically. Take it as a calendar reminder or something that on that date there's a webinar. They don't actually go to the event now. This is what I'm seeing. I don't see people going there and actually registering and stuff. I see people saying, oh yeah, let me, I will participate when the event is on, okay? So for now, I don't have any stats in terms of the conversion, in terms of, okay, all these people said they were going to attend. How many of them are actually going to attend? For now, I don't know. I will know on the 27th. I'll be able to have some like decent stats. But for now, people are showing interest in the event, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so that's day 3. I'm going to perform the actions that I need to perform, and we're going to see tomorrow, day 4.